Know that moment when you need to cut something and the tool you have just isn't quite right? It wastes a few seconds, maybe a bit of fumbling, and a tiny bit of your patience. Over time, those little moments add up to a surprising amount of friction in your day. It's the cost of not having the right thing for the job. But there's a fix for that. Picture this: you're trying to open a package, and the cardboard is just stubborn. You're angling it, trying to get a clean cut, and the blade skids. You have to try again, maybe a little harder, and you're worried about nicking what's inside. That's the exact frustration this is designed to eliminate. The Benchmade Bugout EDC Knife, S30V Steel Blade 535 BK08 is built for one primary purpose: to be an exceptionally light and capable cutting tool. It doesn't try to be a multi-tool or a survival behemoth. It focuses on being a superb everyday carry knife, weighing just 1.85 ounces. This knife is light as Amp's feather and incredibly tough. That means it's ideal for hiking, camping, and backpacking, and made for everyday use. It's a lightweight, go-anywhere tool that you'll barely notice in your pocket. The axis locking mechanism ensures safety and a smooth open and easy close. It also features a reversible clip and a lanyard hole for versatile carry options, making it the perfect addition to your EDC collection, backpack, survival kit, tackle box, and more. This is the kind of tool for the person who wants to stop thinking about their knife and just have it work. The fully ambidextrous Grivory handle has an ergonomic textured grip and is molded from glass-filled nylon for superior durability. That textured grip feels secure in your hand, even if your hands are a little damp. After holding it for a while, you notice the balance is centered, not front-heavy, which means less fatigue. The mechanism itself has a deliberate, satisfying resistance when you deploy it, not a flimsy snap. It's the feel of precision engineered for daily tasks. Now, this knife is designed for everyday carry and lighter outdoor tasks. If you're routinely needing to baton through thick wood or use it for heavy-duty prying, you'll outgrow its lightweight design. For those more demanding jobs, you'd want to look at a thicker, heavier fixed-blade knife or a larger folder with a more robust blade profile. If you're still here, you're likely the kind of person who values thoughtful design over a spec sheet. This channel is built for you. Looking at the manufacturer's listing, they highlight that it's light as Amp's feather, weighing just 1.85 ounces. This figure is crucial for an EDC knife, as it directly impacts comfort when carried all day. The listing also details the axis locking mechanism, emphasizing its safety and smooth operation, along with the fully ambidextrous Grivory handle. What's not explicitly stated is the blade steel's hardness rating, which is something a careful buyer in this category often checks for wear resistance. You'll want to confirm that for your specific needs. When deciding, consider which mistake is less bothersome: buying this and finding it slightly more capable than your daily needs demand, or buying something less substantial and constantly wishing you had a better edge. The fact that it weighs only 1.85 ounces suggests it's built for portability, which might lean you towards this if that's your priority. The link is in the description, so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the